this is Ravita, and in this video I'm going to share another success story of getting a sign of love from the universe. And this story is of a girl who writes, "My mom is a strong believer of the law of attraction, and she introduced me to the secret during my school days. However, at that time I did not have any interest in it, so I forgot about it. A few years later, I was feeling really bored and I went to my bookshelf to read a book. I found the secret book on my shelf. I took the book and started reading it and tried to practice the exercises. I really started it just for fun, but surprisingly attracted many things. I started to really enjoy the secret. It drove me to amazement. Through these secret practices, I attracted my mobile phone, my college friends, my academic grades, my goals, and the love of my life. This story is about my love, and I have many friends, but this guy makes me feel crazy because of his purity and his true love. We had many bad times and had many arguments, but everything would always quickly get sorted out and we would be happy together. We had a deep level of understanding between us. Everything went well until the final semester of my college days. As the days for the end of college got closer, I started thinking that I would miss him and that I would have no chance to see him again, and I had a fear in my mind that I was going to lose him. And of course, because of my thinking, it happened. We ended up in a big fight and everything between us shut down, and he told me that he needs some time to focus on his career. He behaved very rudely to me and he asked me not to call or message him. I was really broken. I tried to call him many times, but it would just end up with us in fight. I did not know what to do. I was totally heartbroken. Every day and night, I laid down watching our pictures and text messages with watery eyes. I knew he was my man and I really wanted him back. It was very hard for me to focus on my work. Continuously thinking about him made me sick. My health, my appearance, my confidence, everything just went downhill. I missed myself badly. Then I suddenly remembered the secret and I started to do the practices again to fix the situation. I strongly believed that he would come back and that we are going to be happy again. Whenever I felt depressed, I repeated those words to myself: "The universe has my back and everything is going to be alright now." And then I continued my work. Initially, it was very hard for me to not to think about my current relationship status, but I managed as I directed my focus to only the positive things that we have in our relationship. I then told the universe that I wanted to receive a call from him as a sign of love. Today he called me and told me that he just called me to hear my voice. Seriously, I was really happy and there are no words to describe my happiness. This phone call proved me that he is still thinking about me and that I am in my right path. After then, I made a sign of seeing red rose in next 24 hours from the universe, and if I see it, then it would be a clear sign that he is going to come back. And in just 4 hours, I got sign. I saw a red rose 3 times. I was so happy. And after this, 2 weeks later, with no contact at all, he came to see me, and now we are together again. So guys, just know that universe is always speaking to you and always listening to you, and universe always has your back. So just keep going with your life, just keep going with your dreams, and just trust the universe. Whatever happens, happens for the best.